Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stephanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and I'm here today to show you this luxury villa for sale near Florence. Check it out! Today, we are near Florence, a city renowned for its beauty, art, and history. We are also a short drive from the towns of Montecatini and Monsumano Terme, known for their thermal hot springs, ideal for a wellness weekend. The property that we are about to see today is 700 square meters, developed on 3 floors. The top floor is an independent apartment, and the whole villa is surrounded by 1,800 square meters of perfectly kept garden. So if you'll follow me, let's check it out. At the end of the path framed by cypress trees, the property opens up into this spacious and perfectly kept garden, which creates such a relaxing and tranquil frame for the villa. The garden is 1,800 square meters, and it offers a variety of plants and trees. Part of the 1,800 square meters is a spacious parking area that can fit up to 5 cars. However, the true gem of the garden is the pool area, with marble sunbathing area and retractable glass structure, so it can be used all year round. But we're gonna take a closer look later. If you'll follow me, let's go inside. We are now on the first floor of this 700 square meter villa. On the first floor is the living area, and right now we are in the living room, which is divided into 2 distinct spaces. We have a first TV area with beautiful furnishings, with neutral colors that bring tranquility and relaxation to the space. On the opposite side of the living room is a cozy sitting area that looks onto a travertino fireplace, creating the perfect space to enjoy a good book in front of the fire during the winter months. The elegant finishes and furnishings create a sobriety that unites the space, such as the beautiful embossed details, we have the covered ceilings, and the features that surround the chandelier. We are now in the main foyer, which continues with the beautiful finishes and features. Throughout the whole villa, each space has a perfect combination between contemporary and classical style. To my right is a cozy study with TV area, perfect to watch a movie. From the foyer, we can access this beautiful marble staircase, but also an elevator that connects us to each floor of the house. Adjacent to the elevator is the kitchen. This spacious kitchen has beautiful marble floors and marble countertops. We have a cozy breakfast area and induction stove. From the kitchen, we can connect both to the lower floor that we will see later on and to the dining room. I absolutely love this dining room. It finds itself inside a winter garden. And thanks to the extensive windows, you can enjoy your meals with a lot of natural light and view over the garden. The flooring has a change in material. Here we have lovely wooden floors. Centered to the space is a dining room table that can sit up to 8 people. And from here, we can access a hallway that leads us to a guest bathroom that serves the floor, as well as a first guest bedroom. This cozy guest bedroom has a double exposure with view over the garden, a central queen-size bed, an ensuite bathroom with rain shower. We are now back in the foyer, which is the heart of the villa, and we're going to take the elevator to check out the lower floor. We are now on the lower level, which hosts a laundry room and bathroom that serves floor. Always on this level of the house, for those of you who are fitness lovers, there is a fully equipped home gym with hammam. However, that is a multifunctional space that could easily become a playroom for your kids. Continuing along the space is a fully equipped kitchen, which is ideal if you're hosting a pool party because it connects directly to the pool area. As mentioned, this terrace is perfectly connected to the kitchen. We have a spacious checkered terrace with extensive windows that allow natural light and offer a breathtaking view over the garden. The terrace is divided into 3 distinct areas. We have this central large dining area, which is ideal if you're organizing a pool party. Adjacent is a first relaxation area with access onto the parking lot. And on the opposite side is a cozy lounge area where you can just sit, relax, and enjoy the shade during the summer months. It also has a projector, so you can organize movie nights with your friends and family. The terrace is directly connected to the pool area. This gorgeous pool area with checkered floors and central swimming pool. The pool has jacuzzi jets as well as internal lighting. The pool is covered in mother of pearl tiles, which give it such a beautiful reflection with the sunlight. Surrounding the pool is the sunbathing area, which is served by shower. This space has a heating system, and thanks to this glass structure, which has been recently added, you can enjoy the pool area all year round. We are on the upper floor, where the bedroom area offers 3 spacious bedrooms. Here we have a first queen-size bedroom with its own ensuite bathroom, opposite to which is the second. This spacious king-size bedroom has a double exposure, lots of natural light, a lounge area, and its own ensuite bathroom, not to speak of the beautiful finishes on the walls and ceiling. The opposite side of the floor is dedicated to the master suite. The master suite features a walk-in closet, access onto a private terrace, and here we have the actual bedroom, which is filled with natural light. But I really want to show you the master bathroom. This master bathroom is amazing. It has access onto the terrace, a hot tub, rain shower, and marble and wood finishes. A really cool feature of the bathroom is actually the mirrors are shutters. So you can open them up and the room becomes filled with natural light. We still have one floor left to go, which features an independent apartment. We are at the last and top level of the villa, which has been transformed into an independent apartment. As soon as we enter, the first thing we see is this cozy living area with large L-shaped couch. Adjacent is a bedroom with queen-size bed. The apartment also offers a multifunctional space that at the moment is empty. On a slightly lower level, directly accessible by elevator, is a dining area. This cozy dining area is well connected to the kitchen, which has beautiful marble countertops and every appliance one could ever need. From here, we can access an external terrace, which is ideal for al fresco meals during the warmer months. We also have a gorgeous bathroom with marble details that features a rain shower and bathtub. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I can't wait to see what you thought of this luxury villa for sale near Florence. On that note, ciao!